Do you ever struggle to start conversations or feel awkward around people? The good news is that social skills aren't something you're born with. They're skills you can learn. Here are 5 psychology-backed ways to improve them. Tip number 1, smile genuinely. It makes you appear approachable. Tip number 2, listen more than you speak. People appreciate conversations where they feel heard. Tip number 3, ask open-ended questions. Instead of yes or no questions, invite people to share more about themselves. This keeps conversations flowing naturally. Tip number 4, practice talking to new people regularly. Confidence grows through experience. Tip number 5, encourage others instead of trying to impress them. People remember how you made them feel. Social skills aren't about being perfect or the loudest person in the room. They're about making others feel comfortable, respected, and valued. Practice these habits every day and your confidence will grow. Follow the Mindshift GLK for more psychology and self-improvement content.